Law Minister Lakpulapam Jayantakumar releases Information Education Communication Handbook on 8 Indian constitutional legislations today. JAC against suspicious death of Konjengbam Ongbi Riyamai Chungamlu alias Ijol carries out rally demanding justice for her. 7 people sustained injury in police scuffle. And CBI arrests senior Congress leader and former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram in connection with INX media corruption case. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibete Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Law Minister Lakpulapam Jayantakumar released Information, Education and Communication Handbook on 8 Indian constitutional legislations today. Speaking at a handbook releasing event organized by Department of Law and Legislative Affairs Government of Manipur at Kuki in Imphal, Minister Jayantakumar urged people to abide by constitutional laws to create a peaceful and civilized Manipur. Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India supported the publication under Access to Justice, Notice and JK Initiative. IEC Handbook containing 8 legislation, that is, the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956, the Special Marriage Act 1954, the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, the Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, the Family Court Act 1984 and the Manipur Hill Areas District Council Act 1971 comes in Manipuri language written in Meitei Mayek and Bengali script and 5 other tribal dialects, that is Paite, Thado, Paumei, Rongmei and Tangkhul.
Every individual living in a society, he or she is supposed to know what law is. But the country, I show them you to get away. Traffic new country, Hadi Paduna, traffic new to get away, but the country. Innocent country to get away. But come on, the Makani meet the Maralaja to the Mana have a system of rules, but to guide you having punishment of the another portion is justice. Justice, not right. But come to the but I had the money. Other than over time. Mamonda, soon but the system of lay, rule of lay, I never lay in I say, Mamonda, that even I say, it becomes the responsibility of the government.
Members of JAC formed against the suspicious death of Konjengbam Ongbi Riyamai Chungamlu alias Ichal carried out protest rally today, demanding to award befitted punishments to the culprit responsible for her death. It may be recalled that 29-year-old Konjengbam Ongbi Riyamai Chungamlu alias Ichal, wife of Konjengbam Jackson from Moirang Lamkhai Panshang Laikai under Moirang police station, was found hanging in her bedroom around 7:30 p.m. on August 17. The JAC announced indefinite blockade on National Highway 102 until justice is served to the deceased woman. Protesters began the rally from Tarung Community Hall and marched towards Chief Minister's Secretariat. However, police halted them at Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai area. Police fired tear gas cells and stun grenades to disperse the agitators, injuring 7 people. The injured were rushed to RIMS. 5 police also sustained injuries as the protesters retaliated by pelting stones. Speaking to media, one JAC member stated that ongoing national projects along Imphal-Tamenglong Road will also be boycotted.
Police ki moi law enforcer ha moi law pai ba mi ekoi bu mi oi ba mi bu praja sing bu protect to go sing na moi na ekoi bu oina attack to bu sidi ai ko si yam pen de ai ko atai kri sa violent nature da violent da to ge ham nate peace rally ha ne moi meaning khang da bra peace rally CRPC 144 da lei hai ra ga su ai ko peace rally chap ya ra ga di hai na ko chap wani ya de har ga de ya di mai chan sing iche ini sing isini naw sing si to bi no han phajan hai bi ha na adu hai du bi mu te hek da atam na tawrak paside ekoi bias the nature of the state law enforcement na khoi dilowi michang mikhai nai bini sidi.
Meanwhile, JAC against suspicious death of Konjengbam Ongbi Riyamai Chungamlu alias Ichel has condemned the misleading statements released by one Amukamai about the incident. Convener of the JAC K. Gautam appealed to refrain from releasing such controversial statements which may lead to communal riots. Speaking to media, co-convener of the JAC Ningthauzam Thaba stated that the JAC aims to uncover the incident and to bring justice to the deceased woman. He maintained that the JAC does not side with either the wife or the husband. She also condemned that one Amukhamid released unbelievable statements potential enough to create communal disruption while the JAC is waiting for autopsy report. Tawar asserted that the JAC will support punishment to Konjengbam Jackson if he is guilty of killing his wife.
Nupa mayumna taseng na postmortem tawbase pami nupi mayumna pamde kari gidamakta no haiba pot sigmaina khanaringai talak asida taseng na amu kamaina taseng na ISTV da khabar da hapakase masi taseng na khoi gi laibak thibani maramaduna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯂꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯖꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯑꯈꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯆꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯨꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯝꯗꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯩ.
Staffs and Imphal East District Police and Jenims Hospital carried out one-day social service in and around the hospital campus today. Around 200 staff, including SP Imphal East Jogesh Chandra Hobijam and Jenims MS Professor Dr. Anjitendra took part in the drive. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Anjitendra urged people coming for treatment in the hospital to cooperate the hospital authority in keeping the hospital neat and clean.
Hospital ke koi ba hospital nalan ba hai base akoi hospital asida lakpiri ba anaba sing aduga anaba gi seba sing gi damakta yamna maru oiba loina akoi hospital la thabak tawjari ba khoi gi su yam maru oiba adugumba mahik matang atop laina amana amada i sandokpada thingnana ba adugumba thabak amani masigumba thabak se Imphal East District khak natana atopa voluntary organization sing nasu matam gi oina akoi gi mateng pangbiragadi hospital ase khwaidagi phaba khwaidagi lu nanba adugumba hospital ama oigani haiba ki thajabani akoina sum sengaga su hospital la lengbi reiba mayamna mafam chana dustbin akoina thamjari ba dustbin sing adu mafam chana phata hodi langthok pidragadi hospital se nalhan ba haibase oithokta thabak aduna mayamna nungsibiduna hospital se mayamgi isagi magni khanbiduna hospital asi lu nalhan bada mateng pangbi haiba asi appeal simaga I tawjage.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you latest updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you are watching Afternoon News. Despite various oppositions, Moirang Municipal Council has banned e-rickshaw service under its jurisdiction until further notice. Speaking to media at the council office at Moirang Sendra Road today, Chairperson M. Romi Bala stated that increasing e-rickshaws before issuance of registration and allotment of parking slots have created traffic congestions in the area. She also appealed to stop trying to defame the council by releasing misleading information on media.
Rikshogi matangda karina phagadage leptringaida aranba parchar tawbiganu loinana mi ama anina association khara linkhatlaga praja amasung gamenbu namthak tawbiganu association ni haiduna tharakliba mioi amana association ani ahum semduna thajilakpagi nungi oiba maram asi Moirang Praja amasung municipality bu apang masige tawbani Moirang Municipal Council na organization amasung association amatada e-rickshaw gi route amadi parking gi ayaba pikhiba leite Municipal Council na konba area da ngasidagi e-rickshaw chenba thingjinba haina council na amata oina yetnaba leitana warep lawjare.
District College of Music, Arts and Culture at Kainau in Bishnupur District held its 6th Foundation Day celebration at Kainau Market Community Hall today. Oinam MLA L. Radhakishore, college principal, teachers and students took part in the program. Traditional dance and strong performances by students of the college highlighted the event. SI School Kanchipur held Parents, Teachers and Students Meet 2019 today. The event aimed to create cordial relations among students, parents and school authorities. Attending parents gave many feedbacks to the school authority during the meet. School authority and teachers assured their best efforts. They appealed to the parents for their cooperation in guiding the students for a brighter future. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (CADA) carried out an academic awareness program against intoxicant abuse for students of Ningombam High School in Imphal West District today. CADA leaders at the event stressed that peer pressure is one major cause behind intoxicant abuse among students. They urged students to make healthy choices and abstain from drugs abuse. The CBI has arrested senior Congress leader and former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram in connection with INX media corruption case. He was arrested by the probe agency last night from his Johor Bagh residence in New Delhi. Chidambaram, who was kept at the CBI headquarters after his arrest, will be produced before a court today. Chidambaram was missing since rejection of his anticipatory bail by Delhi High Court on Tuesday. He, however, appeared at Congress headquarters and addressed the media yesterday evening. Rejecting reports of his evading the law, he told reporters that he was working with his lawyers through the last night, preparing his papers for his bail application. The Congress leader moved Supreme Court seeking protection from arrest in the INX media cases. However, he failed to get any immediate relief from the Apex Court, which will hear his plea on Friday. The CBI had been seeking Chidambaram's custodial interrogation in the case pertaining to alleged irregularities in the grant of foreign investment clearances to INX media when he was finance minister in the UPA government. The senior Congress leader's role had come under the scanner of investigating agency in the INX media case involving 305 crore rupees. In the INX media case, the CBI had registered on an FIR in May 2017 alleging irregularities in the Foreign Investment Promotion Board clearance granted to the media group for receiving overseas funds. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Law Minister Lampolapam Jayantakumar releases Information Education Communication Handbook on 8 Indian constitutional legislations today. JAC against suspicious death of Kanjengbam Ombe Riyamai Chungamlu alias Ichal Teresa rally demanding justice for her. 7 people sustained injury in police scuffle. And CBI arrests senior Congress leader and former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram in connection with INX media corruption case.